Automating Google reviews in Gohighlevel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, set a trigger event, like order fulfilled or appointment completed. This tells Gohighlevel when to send the review request. Then, choose Send Review Request as the subsequent action. This tells Gohighlevel what to do after the trigger event. Here, craft your email or SMS message requesting a review. Also, you can personalize it with the customer's name and include a link directly to your Google My Business review page. Next, schedule the review request to be sent after a suitable time frame, like a few days after the event. This ensures the customer has time to experience your product or service before leaving a review. Segment your audience based on specific criteria. For example, high-value customers to target review requests strategically. This ensures the most relevant people are asked for reviews.